Hey there mga my loves, Libra! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So, ang content natin is aalaman natin kung bakit ba ganyan siya makitungo sa'yo. So, yung siya na yan, no, isitingnan natin kung sino ba to strongly connecting sa yung energies. Might be the person on your mind or kilala mo. Just take how this resonates, okay? At syempre, wala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT cross-watchers. You're all welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. So, without further ado, let's begin. So, yeah, spirits and angel guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. This is for Libra. Bakit ganito ang pakikitungo ng person ito kay Libra? At yan ang ating aalamin. Libra. Spirits and angel guides. This is for Libra, please. Libra. Libra. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and check out. Thank you so much everyone. By the way, my name is Yan. Subscribers, welcome. At sa mga returning subscribers, thank you so much. No? You make me feel so warm sa suporta ninyo. So yeah, let's go ahead and check out. You have here this Three of Pentacles energy. Could be a co-worker but doesn't have to be. Okay, so let's see. I have here the Page of Swords. Also got the Temperance energy. The Star is also here. Eight of Cups. Knight of Swords energy. Ooh. I think this person is not just a little late, but super late na dito. Libra. Or huli na para sa kanya, no? Itong balak niya na ito. Kung sino siya, nakikita ko siya na makikipag-communicate sa'yo. Okay, as of this moment, this person here is trying to observe you, might be checking yung status mo sa mga online mo na social media platforms if you have one. Okay, naka-public man yan or naka-block man siya, no, this person, meron siyang mga ways, may mga connection siya, especially if you do have here connected individuals that you both know. Common na mga kakilala. Yan. Okay? So, kung sino man siya, no, this person put you in a difficult situation and hard situation in the past. And this person is still appearing here as the devil, but this person is hiding in this very tempting, okay, tempting looks right now. So kung sino man siya mga babes, no, isa sa plano niya rito, no, na inaayos niya is, yeah, you once work with this person here. May history kayo nito eh. So probably you could be this person's past lover, yeah, or ex, whatever the case may be. This person here is actually trying to tempt you. But it's too late though. So, nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, na pakikitungo niya sa'yo rito, no, ay silent, no, at hindi siya rito gumagawa ng action. But this person is about to show some actions with you. Alam niyo naman kung paano gumalaw ang isang devil, di ba? Para yung ahas, no? Alam mo yung gagawa yan ng action ng walang ingay, no? Sabay tutuklawin ka lang pala kasi meron lang siyang kailangan sa'yo. Okay? Because blessings starts pouring for you, Libra. Okay? Blessings hindi yung literal na as in maglalaglagan yung mga pera dyan sa'yo, no? Or whatever, no? Pero nakikita ko, no, na meron ditong mga oportunidad na mga magpapakita sa'yo at meron kang mga igagrab sa mga yan. Okay? Doesn't have to be na biglang yaman ka or whatever, no? Pero kasi nakasubaybay siya sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin, pati yung mga winning moments mo, no? Pati yung tagumpay mo, yung mga little successes mo, updated siya. Yan. Either siya mismo yung nagtitingin yun sa social media or nakikibalita siya through common friends or through common individuals that you both know. So, kung sino man siya rito, no, this person's plan is to work things out with you. Heal this connection here. Go back in your life and live again. Aalis siya ulit, Libra. So, in short, kung sino man tong tao na to, no, kaya siya ganyan makitungo sa'yo. Yung iba, kung nangyayari na to, no, medyo may pagka-switch siya. Swindler yung dating nito eh. Ganun eh, no? Parang ano lang eh, meron kasi siyang kailangan kaya bait-baitan, meron kasi siya ritong kailangan kaya sweet-sweetan, meron kasi siya ritong kailangan, no, kasi inuuto-uto ka niya dahil meron siya ritong kailangan. Pero hindi ka kasi dito nag-a-appear as uto-uto, no? Hindi ka kasi rito nag-a-appear as someone na madali niya pa rito makukuha yung loob. Wala nang epekto yung magic-magic niya na yan, no, ng mga salita niyang ganyan, no, yung mga chupa chups, lollipops, candies na mga salitaan yung mga sweet-sweetan, no? Tapos ka na dyan. So, kung sino man siya mga babes, no, yun ang balak niya. Mhm. Pinakita na sa inyo in advance, no, na this person is just here because of your blessings and money. So, maaaring may kailangan lang siya rito. Maaaring meron siya rito specific na problema at pwede may kinalaman sa pera or what's this? Or um, meron ka kasing parang, kunwari, meron kang skills na ikaw lang yung marunong na kilala niya. Yan, no? May kailangan lang talaga siya. Okay? Bumilang ka lang ng lalaya sa rich siya. Yan. So, kung hindi pera yung kailangan niya rito, yung blessings, no? May kailangan lang siya rito. Hindi niya kasi kayang gawin yun on his or her own eh. Yan, no? Oo, kahit may paa at mga kamay siya, hindi niya kayang gawin yun sa kanyang sarili. So, ewan ko dyan. Pero kung sino man siya, no, iwasan niyo na lang siya mga babes. No? Listen to your intuition. That's what the star is also sending me message here. So, whoever this individual is, lalayas at lalayas din to ulit. So, kiber na. Okay, kiber, like, wag niyo nang pansinin. Move on with your life. Continue doing what you're working. Okay, and continue making deadma with this person. So, yeah. Okay, feel the presence. Kasi, mga babes, no, iba kapag ka ang taong mapanlin lang ang nasa paligid mo, mararamdaman at mararamdaman mo. Okay? So, thank you so much, Libra! Sarang hayo, love and light. Annyeong.